Hey guys, welcome to the Hunter Chef channel. Today we're doing Spanish mackerel and a Spanish style potato salad. What makes it a Spanish style potato salad? Well, there's eggs, there's peas. I'm gonna use beans today because they're popping off in my garden. Olives, pickle, and they usually put a little bit of tuna. I've actually got some anchovy oil I'm gonna toss in there. And that's it, and it's just a really popular tapas or snack when you're going to the beach, packed with a sandwich. And mackerel is such a beautiful, oily, delicious fish. That's why I'm gonna leave the tuna out of the salad because I'm gonna serve it with the mackerel. It's got that oily kind of tuna flavor already. We're gonna cook that on the Breeo over the Flattop Griddle. But first we're gonna make our potato salad. So I'm just gonna slice up these beans. Nice and thin, rustic, doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna keep it raw. You could blanch them if you want. I want some raw crunch for the summer. Do this onion super fine. The Spanish mackerel is a wild fish. I try and only eat wild seafood unless it's coming from a really nice, reputable farm. And it's just such a wonderful fish. They're plentiful, sustainably harvested. It's a real treat. If you don't like fishy flavor, it's kind of a oily, fishy tasting fish. I know that sounds kind of weird, but if you like seafood and like that oily, fishy taste, Spanish mackerel is for you. It is delicious. It's so tender. These are green olives. They're in saltwater brine, not vinegar. So they have a more green olive flavor as opposed to like a vinegary flavor. They're really quite nice and mild. They taste like a green flavor off the tree. It's hard to explain if you've never tried one, but they are very different than the vinegary olives. We're adding mayo, a little grain mustard, squeeze a lemon. I did mini potatoes. You could do any kind of potato that you like. And these potatoes are parboiled. They're soft in the middle. And these are just mini new potatoes. In the late spring, early summer, when they harvest these, they're just full of flavor. Adding some sea salt, black pepper. Got a little anchovy oil just for a little essence, and a little bit of chives. Alright, we got our Breeo griddle fired up. Season our mackerel with pink sea salt. Pink Himalayan salt, I should say. That's the sizzle we want to hear. Means it's hot enough. I've got some garlic scapes from my garden in the early summer. These shoot out, and these will actually be a flower if you don't cut them. But what happens is, if you let them grow into a flower, the bulbs of your garlic will shrink. So if you're growing garlic, it's the first time, always cut those off. And they taste like garlic. It kind of tastes like a garlic mixed with a green bean. We're just going to sear those just for a little garnish with our potato salad. Alright, our fish is cooked. It's beautiful and crispy. It's cooked all the way through. Gonna finish it with our Spanish potato salad. Squeeze a lemon. Some fresh dill. And that is a beautiful summer Spanish mackerel potato salad. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Let me know in the comments what you think.